Future Sam here. Before we jump into today's new video, I filmed this a while ago, like at the beginning of June, thinking I would be able to get it up, but I just hadn't. This video, I'm going to be opening up some mail. I will have another mail video coming out after this one soon. Big thanks to all of the Halloween happy friends who are always so kind, so supportive, and so sweet to send something my way. You never have to, I never expect it, but I appreciate the thought and the gesture. It's so sweet of you guys. So just thanks for being here too. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into the video. So now here comes past Sam. Thank you so much for joining me for a new video. If this is your first time, my name is Sam. I'm a Halloween lifestyle vlogger, just celebrating Halloween every day, living a Halloween happy lifestyle. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I also have a Facebook page. All my social media links are listed down below. Turn on the notifications if you guys want to be updated when I'm uploading new videos, especially this summer and fall with Halloween shopping, Halloween hauls, Halloween thrifting, all sorts of Halloween stuff. I'm hoping to get back to vlogging here and there, just when we hang out here in Salem. So if you guys want to follow along, be sure you subscribe, do all that fun stuff. As I'm filming this video, it's the 1st of June. Thank you so much to everyone who was so kind to think of me and send something my way. I really appreciate it. You guys don't ever have to. First package comes from Artisan Pirate. Hey, hope you are well. Let me start by saying I love your channel and Halloween is my favorite time of year. So your keychain is one of one. How cool. Please keep in mind that it is made of wood and will wear out over time if used as a full-time keychain. Most people use them as ornaments or hang them from their rear view mirror. As for me, I am the Artisan Pirate. I make DIY videos on my YouTube channel, and every now and then I'll visit an old cemetery. Pirate cosplayer for parties or community events, photo included. As I said, I really love how your channel is presented and wanted to show my thanks for all the hard work you do on bringing us Halloween year-round. I love your cosplay. That looks really cool. Thanks for thinking of me and thanks for checking out my channel. Check out Artisan Pirate on YouTube and also Instagram. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's amazing. So it says Halloween happy. How amazing is that? Or happy Halloween, but we're gonna go with Halloween happy. Thank you so much for making this. This is super lightweight and it will be perfect for my Halloween tree. Thank you so much. Got a few cards. This one is from Shawn. It says, happy Springoween. We're in summer. I'm behind as always. Okay, so it looks like Shawn created a Springoween color sheet. I love that. You guys can check out Shawn at S Boswell BMC. Shawn does the Yard of Terror. It's a haunt in Kentucky, I believe. Some flower seeds. That's so cool. I hope you're doing well and happy Summerween. Jenny from Pennsylvania. Oh, very cool. I have a spooky little card here. Sam, happy Halloween to Halloween. Love watching your YouTube videos. I love crafting and Halloween, of course, so I enjoy your content. Love, Jenny. Thought you might appreciate it. Check out my Etsy shop. Stickers and business card included. So it looks like Jenny's shop is Jenny Bell's Bells, and I'll link that down below. Oh, that's so cool. Put a little love in your cart. Jenny Bell cards. That's also a card Etsy shop, it looks like. So Jenny made this kind of like a flip book, and it has fun Halloween poems. You can also do favorite candy, write it out. Another poem. This is so cool. And on the back, you can list your favorite Halloween movies. Thank you so much, Ghoul. The next package is, there's no return address. Dear Sam, I love your Halloween happy channel so much. It always cheers me up to watch your videos. Congratulations on your Halloween planners. They look awesome. I came across some stuff I thought you could use. I can't wait to see the next round of planners. Robyn. A happy Halloween card. I think it's blank inside. Always use a good greeting card. Sent some stickers, top hats, bows, and mustaches. These would be really cute on pumpkins, also on skeletons. And then we have some 3D Spooktacular stickers. These are really fun to use, especially with card making. Thank you so much. And Robyn also sent orange rhinestones, which I love using these when it comes to crafting. Day of the Dead stamp. Robyn, thank you so much for sending this stuff my way. I will definitely put it to good use. Thank you for checking out my channel. That means so much to me. So the next package, this is from a small business. This is Charm Garden. Sam, enjoy these scents. I hope they bring you a taste of Halloween. Less than 200 days left. Thank you for your support, Charm Garden. Business card, and Charm Garden is a handmade soy candle shop. The candles are hand poured in California, 100% soy wax, zinc, how do I pronounce this word? Pithlylate, and lead free. You can find them on Instagram at Charm Garden _. Also the Etsy shop is Charm Garden Shop, and I will put the link down below so you guys can check them out. I'm really excited. Okay, it smells so good. Looks like we have, oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, let me open this up real quick. Wax melt, and this one is called Netflix and Kill. Let's see, soy wax with scent notes of pomegranate, apple, grapefruit, vanilla, rosemary, and clove. A few of my favorite notes that I love, and as you can see, it's gray, and then I love it because it has the red glitter, kind of like blood. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, that pomegranate. Pomegranate, I think, is so, it can be so spooky, but also it smells so clean. That one smells really nice, and I love that it's Netflix and Kill. So this is called Witch's Brew. This has cinnamon, dark patchouli, and vanilla. And this smells absolutely lovely. Wow, I don't think I'm gonna burn this one. I think it's gonna be one that I just smell and keep on my desk and just kind of get that whiff of spookiness, you know? It's also a gray color, and then on the top you can see it has 2 wax skulls and then also some glitter. Very spooky. Oh, that smells so good. Thank you so much, Charm Garden, and be sure you guys check them out. This is from my other friend, Shawn. You spoil me. Thank you so much for being so kind and always thinking of me. So let's see what Shawn sent. Oh my gosh. I think it's a Halloween VHS tape. I'm really excited. Witches and Stitches. Oh, how fun. Oh my god, I love it. 3 wacky witches wreak hilarious havoc on Halloween night. From 1997. Oh my gosh, how fun. Witches and Stitches. I love that. Thank you so much. Oh, that's so cool. That definitely will fit in my collection. He also like draws the coolest little spooky doodles. Look at this one. We have Preacher. On this one we have Wednesday Addams. Rain Blow, which is some bubble gum. What the heck is this? Oh, cool. This is from a Hardee's Kids pack known as Carl's Jr. I know it as Hardee's. We used to have a Hardee's back in Kansas. Going to keep it in the package maybe? I'm not sure. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna have to think about it. One of those puzzles where you move it back and forth and up and down and you wiggle it, and it has the silver balls that go through the clear maze. That's so cool. And Shawn wrote, "Hi Sam, I found this book and toy at the thrift store last week. Hope you like them. Best Witches, Shawn. I Need My Monster," written by Amanda Null, illustrated by Howard McWilliam. Must read for any discerning monster lover. A perfect bedtime companion. I'm keeping 1 copy on the nightstand and 1 under the bed. I love it. Another little pumpkin that he drew. Hi Sam, just a few things to add to your collection. I found the book and cat at the thrift store. Look at this sweet little cat. How cute. It has a tag here that says fall of 2000. So I love collecting books, obviously, and any kind of like activity pack, little Halloween stickers, Halloween CDs, all sorts of stuff. Here we have a Let's Decorate Halloween stickers. Book includes press out masks, step-by-step activities, and 150 stickers. Free CD with more than 100 spooky pictures. Print them out, use them to make decorations and stickers, or email them to friends. So this is from 2007, and it has the CD, as you can see, and then we have some recipes. I've actually made these chocolate ghost for one of my Halloween parties early on. That brings back a lot of memories. What else do we have? Pumpkin lantern ideas, little Halloween stickers. I love these. Oh my gosh, so fun. Makes me feel like a kid. This is fun. A skeleton mask. Chill your friends to the bone with this scary skeleton mask. Moon and stars. Hang these up press outs for a spooky nighttime look. Aw, how fun. Very cool. Oh, wait, what are these? If this is what I think they are, these are going to be one of my favorite things that I have. So they are these letter cards, I guess, where you can spell out different things for like businesses usually. And he sent a few of them. So we have Boo. And I love stuff like this so much. It's so unique but spooky. I have like a sign that I found. It has like it says 31. I think it's like a baseball number or something that I found thrifting a few years ago. It's like one of my favorite things. It's such a simple piece. It doesn't even scream Halloween, but it's just so simple and spooky. So these are perfect. Oh my god. And I was just talking about how I can't decide if I want to kind of create a little gallery wall. And these would be perfect. My favorite Halloween word. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Oh my gosh, how cool is this? Wow, I could do so much with these. Oh my god, so cool. This one's really great too. This one is happy, for Halloween happy. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I can't even imagine how much people would charge for something like this at like an antique shop or something. Thank you so much, Shawn, for sending these my way. I think these are so cool. This box comes from Victoria, who is a sweet ghoul. Little bright sun on there. Dear Sam, just sending you a little sunshine. I hope you are getting organized and feeling much better about yourself. I'm looking forward to an awesome Halloween 2021. Your ghoul friend, Victoria. This gift reminds me of vintage Halloween parlor tricks. I hope it puts a smile on your face. Stay beautiful, ghoul. Aw, in many traditions, the sun symbolizes new beginnings, hope, and illumination. Oh, thank you so much, Victoria. I will definitely email you back. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, what year? Was this last year? I don't think I saw this last year. Let me know, guys. So here we have a Wheel of Fate. It's from the Hide and Eek collection from Target, as most of you guys know. Look at how neat this is. Do we already have batteries? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, what's our Wheel of Fate? Prepared to be scared. Oh, I love that so much. And look at this cute little jack-o'-lantern up top. We'll do it one more time. Oh my gosh, yes, I want all the treats. I love this so much. This will fit in perfectly with my Halloween decor that I got going on. So thank you so much for thinking of me. This is too cute. I really don't remember this from last year. I don't know, I feel like Target gets shopped over so quickly each Halloween now. I think I missed this. Was this last year? Was this the year before? I have to Google it and see. My battery's yelling at me, saying that it's gonna die, and it's been practically dead this whole time. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much to all of the Halloween happy friends who were so kind to send a Halloween hello my way and some Halloween cheer my way. It means so much to me. You guys never have to, but I so appreciate it. It means so much to me. If you guys want to check out all the Halloween happy friends that I mentioned in this video, be sure to check the description box. I will put their social media links and websites if it was mentioned. If you guys want more Halloween happy, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do have a Facebook page. All my social media links are listed down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. It would help me out so much. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. As always, I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!